today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the location feature in QuickBooks Online. This handy tool helps you organize your business finances by tracking transactions across different locations. It's simple, efficient, and extremely useful. So let's dive right in. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Head to the QuickBooks website and click Sign In. This takes you to the login page where you can enter your QuickBooks credentials. Make sure you select QuickBooks Online from the options to ensure you're accessing the correct platform. Enter your username and password carefully, then click Continue to move forward. Keeping your login details accurate helps avoid any unnecessary login issues. Once you're inside your account, look toward the top right corner for the settings icon, the small gear symbol. Click on it, and inside the menu, find locations. This section allows you to set up and manage your location tracking preferences. To create a new location, click the New button. Think of this like creating a dedicated folder for organizing all transactions tied to a specific place. You'll be asked to add a class name, which acts as the main identifier for the location you're setting up. This is especially helpful if your business operates in multiple places and you want everything clearly labeled. After entering the class name, choose the specific location that applies to that class. This step ensures that your transactions flow into the correct category for clean, accurate financial reporting. Clear categorization is key to maintaining transparency across different business sites. You'll also see an option that says this location has a different title for sales forms. Turn this on if your various locations use different names or branding on invoices, receipts, or sales documents. It helps keep each location's identity intact while staying organized within QuickBooks. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Save. This finalizes your new location and updates your QuickBooks Online account with the configuration you just created. And remember, you can always come back and edit your settings anytime if you need to make changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the location feature in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can easily manage and separate transactions across different locations, helping you maintain clear financial oversight for your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials. Happy bookkeeping!